Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. Today video I will show you how you can on and off LED with a single switch. In last video we used two switch, one switch for turning on the LED and second switch for turning off the LED. But in this video we will only use one switch and same switch we use to turn on and off the LED. Let's start the video. Project description. In this project, LED is connected to RD0 and switch is connected to RD7 pin of the PIC16F887 microcontroller. And the microcontroller is operated from a 4 MHz crystal, and LED is connected in current sinking mode, and the value of the resistor is 260 ohm. When switch 1 is pressed, LED get turned on, and when second time switch is pressed, LED get turned off. Circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram we will use in our project. This is a PIC16F887. Pin number 13 or 14 interface with the 4 MHz resistor, and we are using 22 PF capacitor. Pin number RD0 is connected with the LED. We are using current sinking mode. The value of the resistor is 260 ohm. And pin number RD7 is connected with the switch, and we are using 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. That is the pull-up resistor. And here is the switch. When we will press the switch, LED get turned on. When we will press the switch second time, LED get turned off. Now draw this circuit in a Proteus, and after that we will test this circuit. Friends, circuit is ready. Now it's time to write the code in MPLAB. After that we will test this circuit. Friends, main file is ready. I already wrote a code, otherwise video get very long. I will copy this code and I will paste it. I will explain you. Here is the XC header file, and this one is PIC16F887 header file. Here we define a register frequency. We are using 4 MHz register. Here we define a LED at port D, bit RD0, and here we define a switch 1, port D, pin RD7. Here is the function of the delay. Here is the debouncing delay. From here main code is start. In main code we define RD0 pin as a output and we define RD7 pin as a 1. We are using TRIS bit. And here is the while 1. This is the endless loop. If switch 1 is pressed, it will take delay for debouncing delay and it will invert the LED. That is the sign of the inverter. We are already using LED in this project. It will toggle the LED and it will stay here. We use this one while 1, switch 1 is equal to a 0. Whenever switch is pressed, it will stay here. And here we have function of the debouncing delay. In debouncing delay we use a variable is the name of y and we use that variable in a delay. Now we will create its hex file. Just click on build main project. File is created. Double click on the controller and we will select the hex file. Open, OK. Click on run the simulation. Press switch, it will turn on the LED. When second time we will press the switch, it will turn off the LED. Now if we will press the switch, it will only turn on LED one time. You can see if we will not use this one while 1, it will create error. Now in this time we remove this line, it will continuously turn on and off the LEDs. If we will run this file, you can see when we press the switch, it always turning on and off the LED. Because here it will always receive the switch 1 is pressed and it always repeat this code again and again. This line while 1, we will use this line while as switch 1 is equal to a 0. Whenever we will press the switch and we will press for long time, it will stay here. Just create its hex file. And we will load this file our project. Now you can see this time it will only turn on the LED one time. You can see I press the switch and it will not blinking. It will only turn on LED, and when I will press second time, it will turn off the LED. Okay friends, if you get any problem, let me know in comments and keep watching Star Technology 5G.